What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to master your beat with Maximus, okay? If you haven't seen my other videos about mixing this beat and other stuff like that, make sure you check it out. There's going to be a playlist linked at the top right now. Alright, so mastering with Maximus is pretty simple, but Maximus can kind of be a little scary to look at because it's got a lot of stuff, but don't you worry, it's actually really nice. So first of all, we got to find Maximus, and if you're like me and you can't find it in a big mess of stuff like this, just hit F8, type Maximus. Make sure you spell it right. Boom, here we go. We can click it, drag it to slot 1 on our master. All right, like I said, it's a little scary to look at, but essentially you got a low band, mid band, high band, and your master, okay? But you can either monitor the bands individually like this, that's this monitor tab, or you can go to bands, see them all over here, and we'll click the master too. Okay, so what we're gonna wanna do is essentially just make this track louder. It's all about your mix. Mastering is just making your track louder. Keep that in mind. This is all about your mix. So if your mix not good, your master will not be good. Actually, before we even throw Maximus, what we should probably do is compress it a little. Let's throw a compressor on because we kind of want to glue all of the elements together. Don't do anything crazy. No, you can just do a low attack, low release. We just want to glue stuff together right now. Threshold back a little bit. Let's listen. I'm messing with this ratio too. And then just bring the gain up a little bit. All right, cool. That already sounds pretty decent. Now we can go back to Maximus, and all we're going to want to do is just bring these bands up, okay? You need to move them over because it's not the right length for the lows, the mids, and the highs. You can actually drag them and make them bigger, like. Then over here, you can set a ceiling. So let's set a ceiling of like -2.5. This saturation ceiling. You can see what you're setting up here at the top left. It'll show you when you're high. -2.5 or lower, you can choose. Then mess with the threshold knob. Looking at your master, you can see if it's actually clipping or not over here. If it's going over 0 dB, it's clipping. If it's under it and it's like hitting 3 or a little over 3, like -2.5, like what you set, then that's good. That's what you want. You see it going too high? Just bring the post down a little bit. Bring the volume down right here. You need it to be louder, maybe bring the post up. I think that sounds pretty good right there. It sounds good, okay? So just follow that. Like I said, it's all about your mix. As long as your mix is good, your master will be good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Next video is going to show you how to master with Ozone 9 Elements, which is a third-party plugin, but it's a breeze. It makes mastering so quick, all right? If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be good. Much love, y'all. Peace.